5 workers take 12 days to weed a field. How many days would 6 workers take? And how many would 15 workers take? Let's solve this question. Solution: if 5 workers take 12 days to weed a field, let 6 workers take X days to weed a field. Therefore, 5 into 12 is equal to 6 into X. Therefore, X is equal to 5 into 12 upon 6. By dividing number 6 to the 12, and then X is equal to 5 into 2. Therefore, X is equal to 10. Therefore, five workers will weed a field in 10 days. Now for 15 workers, let 15 workers would take Y days. Therefore, 5 into 12 is equal to 15 into Y. 15 into Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 5 into 12 upon 15. By dividing 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 3 4 is 12. Therefore, Y is equal to 4. Therefore, 15 workers would take 4 days to weed a field. 4 days to weed a field.